A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. English alphabets. A for apple, B for bee, C for cat, D for duck, E for elephant, F for fish, G for grapes, H for hen, I for ice cream, J for jester, K for kettle, L for loin, M for moon, N for nest, O for octopus, P for fig, Q for pin, R for robot, S for sun, T for tree, U for unicorn, V for violin, W for watch, X for X-ray, Y for yo-yo, Z for zebra.